load up. Come on, load up. Oh, now here's the neighbor dog. Now we put his little harness on. See? Good boy. Sit.
Ooh.
Good boy. Here's his best
I want to
friend.
go with my friend.
I know you didn't get any playtime with him today, but you will tomorrow. I promise. You do every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's right. There. Now you're locked in. Ooh, that's getting tight. Gee,
Growing boy. He's a growing boy.
too tight, baby. Is that good? Give me 5. Oh, that means you're happy. That's right. Good boy. Good boy. I know your friend's over there.
Bye, baby blue. Bye, baby
Give me
blue
5.
eyes.
Give me 5. Good boy. All right, you ready? Stay.
You don't cover him up?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
He wants his friend across the
man.
street, really. That's what he wants.
Be careful.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit.
All right. Bye. Bye, Blue.
Bye.